Hello, and welcome back to Investing Fundamentals for our second episodes. Again, I'm Miles McQuillen, Assistant Vice President on the Private Wealth team here at GAMCO. Today, we are expanding on last week's conversation and taking a deeper dive into the advantages of our research-driven culture here at Gabelli. Our firm is recognized by the academic and investing community for establishing the private market value with a catalyst investment philosophy and applying that process to the analysis of equity securities. PMV is what we define as a price a strategic acquirer or an informed industrialist would be willing to pay for an entire company. But what makes a good catalyst? It could be a variety of factors: changes in competitive positioning and growth potential, a change in management, financial engineering, regulatory shift, or inflation and interest rate changes. Identifying and anticipating these catalysts requires deep analysis and a keen understanding of that given industry. Each of our 35 or so research analysts are charged with the assignment of GAPIC, an acronym for Gather, Array, Project, Interpret, and ultimately Communicate. And that is exactly the approach our analysts leverage when conducting fundamental company analysis, while integrating the capabilities of artificial intelligence. These analysts conduct a comprehensive assessment of companies within their assigned industry sector to highlight historical and projected earnings, cash flow, and PMV estimates. They project out a minimum 5 years, as our investment team views this time frame as a typical horizon for investments in each of our client portfolios. Each analyst covers 40 to 50 companies in total and frequently visits company headquarters to speak with management on a quarterly basis. We benefit from the accumulated knowledge from following certain companies and industry sectors over many decades, with our primarily core competencies in consumer staples, consumer discretionary, industrials, communications, and utilities. We take a benchmark agnostic approach, meaning we construct our portfolios independent to benchmarks and rather generate ideas from a universe of over 2,000 securities in a bottoms-up methodology. This allows our research team to identify investment opportunities in all environments across all investment styles and allocate capital according to their conviction in that given idea. I hope this provides a snapshot of our PMV approach, our analyst assignment, and our investment philosophy that has stayed consistent since inception. Thank you for joining us on this journey of financial discovery. Please stay tuned for more insightful episodes.